Hi, I'm Mark Evans and welcome to McConaghy. We're very much a custom boat building shop. The DNA in the company is all about race boats. We've been building carbon fibre race boats for 50 years, some of the largest in the world, 100-foot maxis like Alfa Romeo and Wild Oats. And the way that we look at the products behind us is that we're putting some of that DNA into the products that we build today. Current product range is the multi-hulls like you see behind me. They're a performance multi-hull but with a luxury interior fit out.
Welcome to McConaghy. I'm Eric Desjardins. I'm the general manager here in the operation in Australia. I started with McConaghy 15 years ago and very exciting to see how much the company has progressed in the last 15 years. Some of the key personnel started back then as well, like Tony Johnson, the foreman here. The team here is about 35 people at the moment, tradesmen, shipwright, spray painter, the whole lot. A few naval architects as well. We have quite the variety of jobs at the moment in the shed. We have a big refit on a 70-foot performance cruiser. We have a brand new racer, 44-foot. We have an old boat from the 70s. We're giving a bit of a rebirth, and we're about to start a new cruiser racer, 56-foot. We are more the custom refit and prototypes, but we have been developing a lot of the internal processes so we could work together on a similar project. The next project that's starting, for example, we build all the structure, and then overseas there we build all the components, the furniture. It'll come here and be installed, so it's very important, the communication between the two different offices.
The standards and quality control from our perspective is just the passion for what we do. We have very well-trained team leaders and department heads. From a project management point of view, we're delivering to a time scale for race boats. So we break down the project to very detailed timelines, and we also send reports to the client on how we're going on our schedules. We enjoy a challenge, that's for sure. So here at factories we have 3 Kuka robots, one on a 15-metre track. That allows us to very much customise very large components within the factory. We can CNC 15-metre long part, 4 metres high. There's not a lot that we can't build. I mean, we do high-end metal work, composites to timber work. We use high tensile stainless steel, aluminium, titaniums. We go a very broad range.
About 3 years ago we had a bit of a reset in this new factory. We moved here with a lot more square meters. We now have 1,600 square meters. The main difference is we can have 3 big projects going on. One of a lifetime projects is actually outside of the racing world. It was the submersible for James Cameron. That was pretty cool. You know, the phone rings, you never know what the next project is going to be. The general culture at McConaghy is of performance and innovation, and that's really carried forward by our team. Very talented, very committed, very passionate about what they do. We operate on the simple basis that to finish a race first you have to finish. Take great care in our product. Quite often they are at sea, and, you know, the product has to be reliable.
We're a lot different to most yards. We're producing a very light performance product. Today have been commissioned to build a full carbon 100-footer. Quality, custom builds, lightweight. This is McConaghy's.